Resident Evil 4.
Right. Let me. Put the sound down. Is there such an option? Maybe comfort. Oh, audio and visual. Okay. Okay, back. Audio, visual. Okay, master volume. I'm gonna put that down. Alright. And that's it. Now you can hear me much better. So accept changes. And now I go to what is this? Load game. Okay, load, continue. So last time I recorded I was in the village and it stopped recording all of a sudden, but you didn't miss much. Let me get that guy. I'm enjoying using the knife more. Let me get that one. Done with the knife. Cool. So last time I was doing the oh, another one here. Okay, let's get that one before he gets no, I'm kidding you. Ha. Lost a bit of health, but I guess I can get some eggs. Let's find some eggs, isn't it? I don't need money, but oh. I'm gonna have to find a lot of eggs now. Okay, I killed them both. Oh, that one is still alive. I'm gonna have to find some eggs. Look at me, almost dead. Eggs. I forgot what I was saying. I was saying something. Chickens, give me eggs. Give me eggs. Oh, let me get that. I want that. So, I'm getting confused now. How do I get that? Gimme. Aha. So, what was I saying? Where are the eggs? Yesterday I was using knife and rocket launcher. I got a rocket launcher. Here. Yay. I don't even need all these guns. I'll use a bit of bows and knife. So I was experimenting with the knife. So I want to find eggs. Where are the eggs? Are the eggs back in the other place? Maybe I should go back to where I came from. Ah! Cow's ass on my face. Maybe I should try to find... what's this place goes to? Pueblo. Maybe that's the... I think the eggs were here, no? I want eggs. I don't want to use my health. God, how desolate this place is. The eggs are all gone. Everything that I found, I haven't looted this place because I don't have space for my stuff. Maybe a few pistol bullets. I don't know. No, I can't. Unless I start selling. But I don't need to make money. So yeah, I don't need that shotgun. I can't pick that up. It's a bit annoying, isn't it? But I should find eggs before I die. Oh, look. Oh, I forgot to pick up the other. There was another rock somewhere else. I forgot to pick it up. Never mind. I don't remember where it was. Oh. Well, I was hoping to find some eggs or something so I don't have to. And I also left herbs here. Do these things disappear? I thought they would still be here when I came back. But no. Plus. Well, let me have a look up here. Yeah, nothing here. Oh. I wish the door would stay open where I've been. Because I can never remember where I've been, actually. Yeah, I can't remember. And wouldn't I no, I'm not sure actually. I'm not even looking for nests anymore because I have so much stuff and I have so much money and I don't need anything. Have I looked here? So the only thing I like to find is herbs. Right, so I don't have to use it's full. Well, I'm gonna have to use health, isn't it? My own health. Oh. Shall I kill this cow with a knife? Oh, poor thing! Oh, he's aggressive. He's gonna kill me. Wait, my health is gone. Oh, I'm gonna use health and then finish killing the cow. Because I'm a bad person like that. Okay, got my health back. Cow tried to kill me. Hey, he's dead. Cow is dead. No more cow. Bye bye, cow. Ah, it's so liberating to be bad. The worst thing that happened to this society is to say, be nice, be nice. Nice is boring. Don't you think? Yeah, I'm a bad person. Don't watch me. Don't watch me. I'm just joking. I'm not a bad person. Oh, look. I can't even pick it up. That's good. I can pick it up. I didn't want it, actually. Well, now it's occupying space, and I can't do anything with it. I'm gonna have to get rid of it. No. I can't pick up on any of this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back to the farm. I didn't find any eggs. I don't like this red herb that I found. This is the wrong way, isn't it? Is it? To farm? No, it's the right way. Yeah, it's nice not having to worry about loot or money so much. I can not worry so much about finding stuff, getting ammo. See, I can't. Oh no! I'm supposed to go up. I'm supposed to go through the window here. Okay. Over there. Oh, let me look. Let me check something. I think I got the mask here. No, no, the cap. Yeah, this thing here. Yeah, I forgot about that. Now we can push this. So, all right. Now I have to go back up there. Right. Okay. Look, 340,000 pesetas. Oh, abandoned cabin. Okay. Is that it? Oh. Okay. So where do I go to now? Maybe here? I don't remember. I could look in the map. House and confinement. I think this is the place. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I remember now. This is fun. Oh, I have to run now. Come on, run. Oh, I think everybody hates QTEs. Come on, run faster. Okay. Yeah, everybody hates QTEs, including myself. Absolutely hate it. Oh. How come my laser now is yellow? Why can't I get it? Come on, I used to be good at this. I don't know what the problem is. Usually I never miss, but for some reason it wasn't working. For some reason. Can I reload just in case? Okay. Let me. Oh! What are you throwing on me? Oh, I stepped on a. Damn! I stepped on a trap. I forgot about those. Oh, jeez. I compromise my health now. There's another trap here. We're so close to it. Okay, let's shoot that guy when he lifts up there. Yay! Love that. I love that. Yay! This is where I find Louis. Oh, he's still there. Oh no! He's dead. He dead. He dead. Let's get money here. Money is all I can carry now. Oh, how much? Oh, my health is low, I forgot. Okay. Let's sort that out. Oh, health. I can't use this red one. But alright. Oh. Well, I might have to get rid of the grenade because health is priority now. Because I'm not being very careful. Like I usually am so careful, I never need health. But in this game I'm being more relaxed than usual. So I'm taking more risks, which means I'm losing more health. Let's see. Which means I need to find more health. I usually sell health because I never get killed, never lose health. Look, almost lost more health. Wait, oh look, full of traps. Full of traps here. Oh yes. Oh, see, I said I was going to get rid of the grenade. And get this up. Maybe mix with the red one. I don't know what the red one does, but you can mix it. Okay. Where is Louis? Where is Louis? I can hear him banging. Oh, here. going to get you. Woo. Check. There you go. This section is finished.